What if I told you that for less than 10 grand, the price of a used Honda Civic with 180,000 miles, you could be pulling up in a car that makes people think you spent $60,000? We're talking real leather, real power, real heads turning in a parking lot. And no, we're not talking about beat-up beaters with bald tires. We're talking about legitimate, well-built machines that just happen to have depreciated into your budget. Today I've got 7 cars, each one under $10,000 on the used market right now. That will make you look like you make a lot more money than you do. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell. No sponsored picks ever, just honest data. Let's go. Number 7, Mazda 6 Grand Touring 2016 to 2018. Kicking things off with a sleeper that nobody talks about enough, the Mazda 6 Grand Touring. Find a 2016 to 2018 model, and you're getting a car with a genuine premium interior. We're talking real leather, a Bose sound system, heated seats, and a heads-up display in a $9,000 used car. Consumer Reports rated the Mazda 6 a top pick for reliability, and the 2016 to 2018 models have held up exceptionally well in owner surveys. This is not a car that's going to strand you. The design is where this one punches hardest above its weight. Mazda hired designers away from premium European brands, and it shows. The Mazda 6 has lines that look closer to an Alfa Romeo than a mid-size family sedan. The caveat? Cargo space is tighter than competitors, and some owners have noted that the infotainment touchscreen was dropped in favor of a rotary dial, which is polarizing. Number 6, Cadillac ATS, 2014 to 2016. Cadillac built the ATS with one explicit goal: beat the BMW 3 Series. And while the debate raged at launch, one thing nobody debates now is the value. For under $10,000, you're getting a rear-wheel drive American luxury sedan with genuinely sharp handling, a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, and one of the most attractive interiors Cadillac has ever built. The CUE infotainment system looks upscale, the leather quality rivals European rivals, and the exterior still looks modern well into the 2020s. Real-world owner communities on forums like CadillacForums.com consistently report the 2.0T engine as reliable and DIY maintenance-friendly, which keeps running costs low. That matters at this price point. The one thing you need to know: skip the V6 option if you're buying used. It's thirstier and has more known issues than the Turbo 4. Stick with the base engine and you've got a genuinely solid car. Number 5, Infiniti Q50, 2014 to 2016. The Infiniti Q50 is one of the best-kept secrets in the used car market, and it's been that way for years. Even the base 3.7-liter V6 has 328 horsepower. This thing moves. The exterior design is still sharp. Infiniti's double-arch grille and sculpted flanks look expensive in a way that most $9,000 cars simply do not. The interior is equally strong: real wood trim, heated leather seats, and a dual-screen infotainment setup that looks genuinely premium. J.D. Power gave the Q50 above-average reliability marks across multiple model years, and owner reports on forums like myG37.com echo that, particularly with the 3.7-liter V6, which is essentially bulletproof with regular maintenance. One caveat worth naming: the early direct adaptive steering system received mixed reviews from drivers who prefer traditional steering feel. Test drive it first. But for most daily drivers, it's a non-issue. And coming up in the top 4, we've got a car that literally retailed for over $60,000 when it was new, and it's sitting on used lots right now for under $9,500. Don't go anywhere. Number 4, Volvo S6 OT5, 2015 to 2017. If you want to look effortlessly sophisticated, European effortlessly sophisticated, the Volvo S60 is your answer. The S60's interior design is genuinely gorgeous. Clean Scandinavian lines, high-quality materials, real wood, ambient lighting, seats that feel like they were designed for a long-haul flight. It is, without question, one of the best-looking interiors at any price in its era. And the turbocharged 2.0 or 2.5-liter 5-cylinder gives you a responsive, punchy drive. The NHTSA and IIHS both awarded the S60 top safety scores across multiple years. This was Volvo, after all. And CarGurus data shows clean 201 5201 660s, consistently available in the $8,000 $9,500 range. Here's the honest caveat: Volvos from this era benefit hugely from documented service history. Buy a well-maintained one and you'll love it. Buy one with mystery miles and no records, and maintenance costs can climb. Get a pre-purchase inspection every time. Number 3, Lexus ES 250i S350 2011 to 2013. The Lexus badge carries weight everywhere. Valet attendants know it. Neighbors know it. And in the used car market, you can now get that badge and everything it stands for under $10,000. The second generation ES 250 and ES 350 are beautifully styled, with a dramatic spindle grille and athletic proportions that still look premium today. But here's the real reason this car makes the list. Lexus reliability. J.D. Power has ranked Lexus number 1 or near the top of its vehicle dependability studies for over a decade. These cars are built to last. Owner reports across LexusEnthusiast.com and Reddit's R-Lexus community repeatedly confirm that ES models from this era, properly maintained, can go 200,000 plus miles without major mechanical drama. That's extraordinary for a car at this price point. The con? The interior tech feels dated. This was pre-Apple CarPlay, pre-wireless charging. You'll want an aftermarket adapter for modern connectivity. A minor trade-off for what you're getting. Number 2, Hyundai Genesis Sedan 3.8, 2012 to 2014. Here's the one that most people walk past at the dealership without realizing what they're looking at. The Hyundai Genesis Sedan, the original one. Before it became its own Genesis brand, was the G80 before there was a G80. It sold new for $38,000 to $45,000. It had a 3.8-liter V6 pushing 333 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and 8-speed automatic, and an interior loaded with features that rivaled BMW 5 Series at a fraction of the price. Cars sold new came with Hyundai's complimentary maintenance package, which means used examples from this era were frequently serviced on schedule. The styling is long, wide, and genuinely stately. It does not look like a $9,000 car, not even close. CarBuzz and US News both flagged this as an undervalued used pick for years running. Reliability data backs it up. The 3.8-liter V6 is a proven, durable unit with a strong track record in both owner reports and independent mechanic assessments. The caveat: it's big. This is a full-size luxury sedan with a turning radius that'll remind you it's not a sports car. And the infotainment, while loaded for its era, feels its age today. Number 1, Acura TL, 2012 to 2014. And here it is. Number 1. The car that delivers the full package: looks, performance, reliability, and prestige for under 10 grand. The 4th generation Acura TL is a stunner. The aggressive front fascia, wide stance, and chrome-accented flanks make it look like it costs $50,000. The interior is equally strong. Acura packed it with premium leather, a 10-speaker ALS sound system, dual-zone climate control, and real aluminum trim. This is not fake luxury. This is the real thing. Under the hood sits Honda's naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 with 305 horsepower, an engine so proven and reliable it borders on legendary. And if you can find the SHAWD model, Acura's super handling all-wheel drive system, you've got a performance car that will embarrass far more expensive machines in a corner. J.D. Power awarded the TL top-tier reliability scores. Owner communities on Acurazine report high-mileage examples routinely hitting 200,000 plus miles with basic maintenance. And because it's mechanically related to Honda's lineup, parts are plentiful and service is affordable. Here's the honest truth about the TL. The market has slept on it. Supply is decent, prices are low, and the cars just keep running. It's rare to find a sub-$10,000 car this well-rounded. So there it is. 7 cars that will make your neighbors, your coworkers, and your parking lot think you've made some very serious life upgrades. From the Mazda 6's designer looks to the Genesis sedan's outright value bomb, every car on this list gives you way more than what you're paying for. The market hasn't caught on yet, but it will.